This model kit review is of the M2 Bradley. This is the US Army's infantry fighting vehicle, and it is a 1/35th scale model. It's by Academy. We have some very nice box art here, and some pictures of the finished model there. And looks like we've got a lot of detail on the inside, so that's very nice. And another picture there. It doesn't really give us any dimensions. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Wow, we've got a lot of pieces to go through here. Let's start off with our body here, the hull. And that is beautifully molded. Look at that. Look at all that detail. The vents and grills, nice and crisp and clean. It's a little warped, but that should be easy to fix. Here's the lower side with our suspension and sort of wheel hubs molded in already. Everything is molded in this sort of desert sand color. We're stuck on something. There you go. Here are our two tracks, and these are made out of vinyl, and it should be very easy to join up like that. Just need to do the old melted screwdriver thing, flatten it out that way. And there's a lot of internal detail here. We've got some seats, some of that you're not going to be able to see, obviously because it's covered, and some tubes here. Looks like some control parts here. There's parts of the seats as well, I imagine, and then some gear for the outside. But the molding quality is really excellent. Here's part of our turret, and over here with some hatches that are open. There's some visuals there, nice and well rounded, very nicely molded. And then some poly caps. I wonder if those are going to be for the wheels. It's very flexible. Now here are the endless supply of wheels, and we do also have a wire mesh. It's a nice added feature, probably to cover up part of the engine. Looks like we have two of the same thing, so I'll just review one of them. Those are the wheels there, and there's the drive sprockets, but nice details with the bolts visualized. We've got some weapons there, looks like some rifles, protective cage there. Just very, very well molded. Okay, last few sprues here. Looks like some of the hatches there. We've got cable, part of the drive sprockets, axles there, some tools. We've got there's the shovel. We've got a sledgehammer and axes and so on. A little bipod there, and there's the hatch covers. Very nicely molded. There's the base of the main gun. And then here are the outsides over here. That'll cover the tracks. There's the rear with the door, and that's part of the, I guess, where the hatches are. We do have a figure, and that's very nicely molded. Good level of detail there. Okay, let's have a look. We do have a few decals, really not many. And we'll look at our instructions here. Start off with all the wheels, putting the poly caps in there so that they will be able to turn. So that's a nice feature. We've got some of the hatches there, building, putting the wheels on the hull, and then mounting all of that onto the main hull, including that's the rear door, and starting to build up the top. Now putting together some of the looks like weapons and seats, and building the interior there. There's a lot of stuff happening inside there, especially for something that you're not going to be able to see a lot of, especially down the front. You're not going to be able to see a lot of that. Here's the the turret, and seats are going in there. Putting all that in the interior, that really is a lot that's going on inside. And then I'm not even sure what this is. This might be for the person to be aiming the gun. Top of the turret going on there, as well as probably some other grenades or smoke launchers there. And the rest of the turret, including the main gun. All the stuff on the back of the turret, and then the main hatch. Mount all of that onto the hull. So lights, protectors, handholds, and so on. And then there's the mesh. Put together the tracks, mount all that onto the base of the hull, put the sides on as well, put on some antenna. There's the figure, and here's the paint or decal guide. That really is a phenomenal model. It is well molded, tremendous amount of detail, including the interior. That is going to be a great model to build.